Today, I am going to be doing an unboxing. Let's see what this package is going to be. I'm gonna cut it open. Let's see. Ooh, let's see what this is going to be. Dun dun dun! So it's a camera. Let's see what this looks like. Here's the box. Here's the package. So let's open this bad boy up. Whoa, nice. Look at that. I wonder what that is. Oh, open and find out. This looks like some sort of charging cable. Some sort of bracket. Oh wow, we got a nice lanyard with this. Let's see what that is. Another. Oh, I bet this is for like your wrist or something. Okay, so that's for attaching the camera. I bet. Let's see what this thing is. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what this is. I'm not really sure. Sorry about the camera, it's all blurry for some weird reason. This looks like some sort of mount of some sort. Huh. I think that's something that mounts the camera, I'm guessing. This looks like another type of a mount. Oh, I bet this goes on here, I bet. Yeah. Yep, I think that's what it is. Some sort of mount. So this is the main camera. Looks like it's inside of a case to me. Oh, this is nice. So anyway, If you like this video and you want to see more unboxings like this, be sure to like and subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye.